Hi there, Parker Middle School. I hope you're all doing well. I wanted to check in and say hello, let you know I'm thinking about you. I hope you're finding time to make some artwork. I'm here in my art studio in my home, and I wanted to give you a quick tour, give you an update on what I've been working on. So here is my drawing table. All my supplies are all set up for me, all ready to go. That makes art making really easy. Another big project that I'm working on is I am working on a very large mural. This is a painting that will be installed on a building in downtown Erie this coming August. I'm working on it with 5 other women, and it celebrates the women's suffrage movement. That's the women's right to vote. I also have my supply table here. All my paints and brushes are all set up and ready to go. One other really important element are my studio assistants. I have my 2 dogs. This is Kai, and this is Arlo. I am so looking forward to seeing you all again very soon and or creating art online. So watch for more updates on your Schoology page. I miss you and I hope to talk to you very soon.